What did you just tell me?
Hey, let's do a quickie in here.
Come here, puppy.
Hey, puppy.
What are we doing?
Well,
Bend over and I'll show you.
puppy.
Oh, Jesus. Are we doing the turn signals? Hey, do the turn signals.
So, yeah.
Give me a left turn. Hold it.
Yep.
You're working back here. Give me a right turn. You're working back here. Let me look at the front. Horn blows. Right turn, good. Left turn, good. Give me some lights. Low beam's good. High beam's good. Keep them on, all the lights. Okay, we don't have parking lamps. Let me look in the back. You got light back here. Oh yeah, we're good here. Let me go check. So there they are, the parking lamps. Woo! Scotty, do you want to see something sexy? Look at that right there. Yeah, baby. Does that make you happy?
Does it make you horny, baby?
Makes me feel Ricky. I love it. Compressor engages.
Why do I smell icky?
Because the compressor's engaged.
No, not Freon. Cold air. Is it blowing cold?
It's blowing somewhere.
Not me.
Nice move. All right.
Like my heart.
Like your heart.
Like my heart. See, look.
What are you doing, Mr. Burns?
Where's the fan?
The blower?
Fan, blower? Because I got max cold.